Vial, maximum strength and protection. Preparation. Wash hair with molecular shampoo. Pat with a towel to remove excess water. Melt the contents of 1 vial, 30 seconds. Can also be warmed in a bowl of warm water to melt the contents. Mix 1 restructuring vial with 30 ml of the intensive cream in a bowl. Wearing gloves, massage into hair, making sure that each strand is well covered. Leave the product to work for 30 minutes. Apply wet or dry heat to boost the treatment. Rinse to remove all the product from hair. Apply the cuticle seal to mid-lengths and ends, approximately 20 short bursts. Dry and style hair as usual. Follow-up care recommended.